I was on my car and from right bones man, we didn't Eddie Bones man. Na video be as I said trendy. Na Nina and say Ivan Kyei yeah I Onia morning show panels na bako. Na and on Captain Smart at Nassano. And I didn't send be a tuja. Say a year Ghana Mompany, Akkufo ado. Nana ado dankwa Akkufo ado. Say Nana ado running a Ponzi scheme. But in some way to your brother Captain Smart and then a pound for Atana Adjum. Women could in some opinion Ivan Kyei at it.
Captain Makacho said Akkufo is never a leader. The guy has been running a Ponzi scheme. He's not running governance. This whole thing is a Ponzi scheme that Akkufo is running.
Nanado is running a Ponzi
and he's
scheme.
A serious joke. Akkufo is a serious joke. Because Captain, we are serious and you are really committed to the fight against corruption. These things are the way intelligence are picking first. I'm acting in the face of all this. But we are talking about a certain president who has been involved in the scandal itself. You understand that the presidency threatened Al Jazeera, said they should withdraw the statement and apologize to them.
Otherwise, they will sue them.
Exactly.
That don't want to sue.
As executive president, you are threatening a media station. They called you a bluff and still say they owe you no apology. President Ntiman called forward the BM. Because corruption now to the extent say he has no moral right, moral conviction to hold anybody accountable.
How much I call of you, from a Bonesman TV. And some way, and a Ivan Kyei, and a Unyamoni show host Captain Smart, a train a home como. The one chimwa, a Nana Adodankwa Akkufo ado. Sabi, and yet a mamona obu no moment a Ponzi scheme, a da kuntumpo a mamu, and a wobu. In some way, and a brandy is me editor. Yeah, na sansim we na Ghana folk you say, that be ready and no attend to. Until you bet him to adventure and so afa a video say, na near also so work a beer and also watch at the afamo. But you didn't AC a hanum, number the so a come say, this is Bonesman TV, a beer ya tabamu, a beer yen some woe, advert be a pursuit to be an amateur say over free na yaka. Advertina and I see a bow, you might know the rule among say videos so now here, pictures now here, so free, you will be trying to come, will program be a say at the amount. But you might AC a hand and report a person so a share you. Come in, bye bye.